Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one's the TVCMALL. It's a 4-color NCS DIY iPhone cover for iPhone 15 Pro Max with the E-Link display. By the way, they have 3 different colors for you to choose from: black, gray, and white color. They also have it for iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, iPhone 15, and iPhone 15 Pro. By the way, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you guys could check out this new and latest item out. And I would like to give a shout out to Amanda from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. So right here is the thank you card. And you can follow them on their social media. And it is made in China. Wow, pretty nice case. The microphone grill, charging port, and then a speaker grill. The linear wristband right here. Volume up and down. And then power wake button right here. And this one has a special raised up lip to protect your camera. So right here is the 4-color E-Ink display right here. Here is the user manual. So yeah, you need to download the app and then set it up so you create your own image on the back here. Let's put it on and see how it fits. So yeah, fit in there very nicely. So with this display, it doesn't require to use any battery at all. So yeah, I will need to set it up, and then we're gonna come back and show you guys a tutorial on how to use the app and create your artwork. Alright? Alright, so you will need to go to your app store. And then download AI phone case. And that would be this one right here, the green one. And since I already downloaded mine already, to save you guys time, just click on open So this is the app. You could you open your camera or go directly to your photo, or you can select whatever is on here. Right now it's under AI. And you can select cartoon. So a lot of selection that you could choose from. So pretty awesome. Anyway, let's go back to AI. So what I did was click on this, and then after that, on the bottom right here, you could click on picture, adjustment, filter, text, and sticker. Picture, you must allow the app to transfer your photo onto your, and then copy onto here. And then adjustment, there's contrast, brightness, and saturation. And you can adjust it accordingly. Right here is to undo, and then check it. And next, you're gonna click on this. Oops. And right here is the filter. You could select a different filter, which is quite awesome. And after you select them, make sure you click on the check. You could add text, whatever text that you want to add it on here. And you could rotate or add another text, +1. And then a sticker. Right here you could select different kind of sticker, and then paste it on here. And again, you gotta click on check, and then click on the right arrow right here. So this one is under exquisite. You could also put it black and white style, okay? Gonna use color, and after that, you're gonna shot screen. You're gonna send it to the screen. Right now it's under this, or now it's gonna convert it. And then there you go. It's finished. And you notify you. So yeah, this is a pretty fun case, and you could edit lots of different artwork on here, which is pretty unique. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to check out the link that's shown in the description, so you can check out this awesome item out for your gift to give it to your loved ones. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.